Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to buy long-term stocks on Robinhood. So for anyone who wants to start investing with Robinhood, let's get right into the video. So let's say, for example, it's your first time in the application and you want to know how to buy stock. So what you want to do is just click on the search icon at the top and then type in the ticker symbol. So let's say for example, we're gonna go with the Tesla. So just type in Tesla on the search bar and it's going to come up right here. So you just have to click on Tesla right here. And then you can actually buy the stock. So you click on the trade at the bottom. So right here, and then you click on buy. Now, once you click on buy, it's going to give you the number of shares that you want. So the more current market price for the stock and the estimated cost. So let's put in 5 shares. So that's going to be 180 per share, and the estimated cost is going to be around 900. Now, once you're ready to buy the stock, all you're gonna do is just click on review. And since I don't have enough money in my account right here, so it says something like this. But once you do, it's going to bring you to the buy screen. And all you're going to do is just swipe up. And just like that, you've bought a stock on Robinhood. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.